novice priest in Russia. So the bug had already caught up with me that to chase for the eclipses. So the second eclipse that I had to see was in novice priest. Now let me share some more interesting feature about this eclipse. As you will see that corona is not just, actually corona means what? Corona is the atmosphere of the sun which you are not able to see along with the sun. It's so strong, the sun's light is so strong that you are not able to see the atmosphere. But remember one thing, the solar photosphere is at a temperature of about 6,000 degrees, whereas the temperature of a corona is 1,000,000 degrees. Please remember this. So you are looking at 1,000,000 degree temperature after the sun is completely covered by the moon. So these are the features which normally one is not able to see during a total eclipse. So what we had to do is, we used to make, in the photographic studios, we used to make masks. You understand what are masks? We used to cut, we used to make the moon completely dark, keep it on the eclipse itself, and try to pull out the features like these, which are called as plumes. And sometimes we used to find not only plumes, we used to find such coronal helmets. Now these coronal helmets were also very important for finding out what kind of temperatures, how does the temperature from 6,000 degrees goes across, forming these plumes like petals. They are like rose petals coming out of the sun, and that you are able to see during the eclipse. Now, with your naked eye, the question is, can we really see these things? My answer to this is, during the totality, you can completely remove your filter and see the corona, and that is a beautiful event, a magnificent event, and you cannot miss these plumes, these streamers. I think many of you must have seen the 95 eclipse. I don't know how many of you have seen, but 95 eclipse also did show a huge coronal streamer on two sides like this. Over here and here, they were able to see. And on my left hand side, you will see all the specifications where we had been able to do. But remember, again, these exposures were done only with films. And as I say, Ektachrome 400 was the ISO or the ASA of these films, which we used to use. And the mechanism or instruments were very simple. Simple telescopes, and in those days Mylar filters were not so widely available. So we had to use ND filters or maybe darkened film, which was called as a contrast films. Now we had to already make contrast films to see a totality. I mean the partial part. But when the totality used to happen, we had to remove the filter and see the eclipse. And let me tell you, at least so far for me, I was able to see 18 solar eclipses. So, and then how do we do all this work? We have to have fairly large number of images. And mind you, if you have these images, on your printer you have a scanner, isn't it? On your printer you have a scanner. We used to keep the film on the scanner and scan the film, and that's how we could digitize our images. So this was a process. We have given the exposure times from 1/500 to about 1 second, but while developing it, Also, we had to take all the possible precautions. This eclipse lasted for about 1 minute and 32 seconds. And how I was able to see this, I was in Lyon at that point of time, and the Lyon Observatory had planned a mission to Novosibirsk and then to Belova, where we were able to see this event. So, and we were then hardly 25 to 30 people, so we were able to see this eclipse. So we move further, and then we move to 1983. You will wonder, this eclipse happened in Java, Indonesia. I was not very sure I would be able to go for that eclipse. I'll tell you very simple, because Tanjung Kodok and Indonesia are islands. Please remember this. There are more than 1,300 islands, and the largest island is Sumatra, but Sumatra is an island in Indian Ocean towards the Bay of Bengal, and Java is towards the lower, which are called as Timor seas. Over there, this place is there called Java. We were in a place called as Tanjung Kodok. Very interesting event this was. Completely forest, rainforest, and constant rains. And at this eclipse, we had set up, again, we were 3 people who were sponsored by Amateur Astronomers Association, Mumbai, to go for this eclipse. Now here I want to share some interesting information with you. Our trip to this eclipse was partially sponsored by Shipping Corporation of India. There was their ship which was going from Madras to Singapore. And from Singapore, we had to fly to Jakarta, and from Jakarta we had to go to Tanjung Kodok. So our journey was divided by Shipping Corporation, and thanks to Shipping Corporation people who gave us a free ride from Madras to Singapore and back, because we went by the first ship and came back by the second ship. So that freedom they gave us, and we were allowed to go for this eclipse. And then even the airlines, Singapore Airlines, gave us a lot of concession to move from Singapore to Jakarta. And mind you, when there are eclipse chasers, there are many helping hands. Please remember this. Eclipse cannot be achieved only by single people and big money. You get a lot of helping hands to help you through all your missions. And this mission, we were able to do it from Tanjung Kodok. On my left, you will see the screen. On the screen, you will find the details, which I know it's very difficult, but you are able to see many of this. And what I want to tell you here about this eclipse is, the day prior to the eclipse, we had a large storm, very large storm on that island, and along with us, there was a team from Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Physical Research Laboratory. We were from Bombay, that is Amateur Astronomers Association, and Nehru Planetarium, Mumbai. And I think we were 3 or 4 organizations from India which we were able to make it to Tanjung Kodok. And during that storm, all our setups were disturbed. All our setups. Our camera mountings were completely brought down. Even unfortunately, PRL's spectroscope also had toppled. IA's instrumentation had also toppled. So for us, after the event, after the uh, severe storm, we had to again set it up. Here I will tell you that again you had to set it up, and that took us the whole evening and the night, and again in the morning we were ready. Now you may be wondering, in all these eclipses, whether it is in Russia or India, how are the people reacting to this? People, I am talking of general people. Even in Tanjung Kodok, the locals over there refused to look at the eclipse on religious grounds. We had one guard to guard our camp, and he told us very categorically that he will not look at the eclipse. And that time we had to manage ourselves. So that is how the eclipse is. It's not necessarily only we say, oh, India is a religious country, people flock to go to the rivers and take a bath and all that, but it is there all along. Even in Indonesia, we did see people not going at the riverside, but they were going towards the seaside. They were also taking a bath. So these events, I was really shocked. I was under this impression that this is only in India. Even in Russia, I found many people